are countless treatments for common skin and hair problems. In this video, we will teach you how to make a very effective natural hair mask using two natural ingredients, yogurt and honey. Today's video will discuss the benefits of yogurt and honey mask for skin and hair.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
Yogurt and honey have so many great properties for personal care. Together they can have incredible benefits in a short amount of time. Yogurt and honey mask for hair. This mask will strengthen and repair your hair from the roots to the tips. You have got to try this excellent combination. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of honey, a half cup of yogurt. If you need to double the amount, it all depends on how much hair you have. Preparation and application. Mix the ingredients until you have a thick, smooth blend. Apply it from the roots to the end of your hair, ensuring that all strands are coated. Massage your scalp using a circular motion for more benefits. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash with a shampoo. Apply this once a week and you will notice the changes more quickly. Yogurt and honey mask for the skin. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/4 cup of yogurt. Preparations and application. Combine both ingredients until you get a homogeneous mixture. Heat over a low heat until the mask begins to boil. Let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it is comfortable temperature, apply it to your face with a gentle massage. Leave it on for half an hour. Wash and enjoy the results. It's important to pay attention to your body. This treatment will only take a few minutes and will give you surprising results. Give it a try. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.